Hello, Greggy Nilsheim here. Today we will be talking about everything that is going on around modding your Nintendo consoles, as well as ROM hacks for games on those consoles. For today's Direct, we would like you to focus on the Nintendo Wii and its popular game, New Super Mario Bros. Wii. A talented person has decided to make a fantastic ROM hack for New Super Mario Bros. Wii. At the time of this Direct, we do not know the person's name. His ROM hack has caught the attention of many who aspire the game, such as myself. Here is the teaser for the ROM hack, Beyond SMB Wii. You can support the creator on YouTube. His channel is Beyond SMB Wii. Support him, and that is all we have for the Nintendo Wii. Now we will move our attention to the forgotten brother of the Wii U. This is another ROM hack, but for New Super Mario Bros. U. This ROM hack has me dazzled at how the music was composed, and is also based off of one of my favorite games of all time. Please give applause to the ROM hack, Super Mario World U. That ROM hack was awesome. The channel who made the video on YouTube was T0BU. Please support him. And that is the last of the Wii U announcements. But for our final one, we will go over to the Nintendo Switch, where this ROM hack is so great, I shed a tear watching it. So without further ado, please welcome the greatest Super Mario Odyssey from Hack Nostalgia Hitter. Super Mario Odyssey, a galaxy story. The Discord server from Sitbar will be in the description. And with that is the end of the first Nintendo Modding News Direct. If you want to show a ROM hack or a new technique to help people with modding, there will also be my Discord server you can join to help out. You might even make it in a direct. A direct happens only once a month on the 10th day. So good morning, day or night, wherever you are, make it brilliant. Goodbye.